King, I need you!
Man!
It's not balancing. Hi everyone, Marcus here from MedPack, and if you love tech and if you love discounts, this is the place for you. And today we are on this environment because we are going to do the off-roading test of the Inmotion V11, and I'm going to compare with the king of off-roading, that is the MSP. So when we talk about the wheel without suspension, this one was definitely the best option that you had on the market. Let's do it and push hard. And let's go, guys. So when someone says to me that the V11 is not good for off-roading, I'm going to show you even here on the mud. The grip that this tire have is simply insane. And the funny fact is, this tire is exactly the same that you have on the MSP, but it grabs much better. So the weight that you have on this, and I could go even faster if I had more grip. That is the problem. And like I said, I always hated power pads, but on this one it will make a lot of difference. But you can see I'm hitting everything, and I'm going, and he's going. Hey guy, thank you. Whoa. And once again showing you here mud, and he grabs grass, and he grabs roots, and he grabs. I love suspension, man. HTN, you need more practice. Let's try. Oh my god, it's okay, but when you pass this with the V11, it's impossible that you can go as fast as in the V11. So here, for example, I'm going to try to turn, and you see, it's not even the suspension. What happened is, if you are going to see the footage of the V11 going off-road, now let's just hit this. You see, I can't go as fast, it's impossible. It's not the same. I'm a bit more confident already, but I can't go as fast as on the V11 here, the route. And once again, let's see now grabbing, because when you are doing this and you have here the mud, well, you see, the suspension helps you to absorb the mud, like if you was getting some snow underneath your feet. So we have here some good routes to test with the V11. Yeah, we have there a camera that is going to film in slow motion. Here there is another one. There are plenty of routes here. It's just missing some pads on the side, because if I had it, it's just harder to just grab. Oh. Let's try it again. Let's now go. Oh, man, these routes, is simply amazing. It's like they are not there. So like you could see, the suspension, basically what you do on the V11 is, when he finds a hole, he's going to cover that hole with the wheel, and after he comes back to the place that it should be. It's great. This wheel is great. Have the same tire that you have on the V11. Okay, so I'm just comparing these two beasts that this was considered one of the best off-roading machines, and it's definitely good, because now I'm getting more and more confident, because I know the terrain. Like you can see, I'm going, and I'm getting faster. But for no suspension wheel, oh, forget it. This is definitely, let's do it again. This was just to show to you, this is the king of non-suspension wheel if you want to go off-road. We have here a similarity, same tire that you'll find on the MSP and that you find on the V11. I think that is not a coincidence. It's simply the best tire, but you can get better grip with the tire on the V11. I believe it's the suspension that helps, because he pushes your gravity down in the moment that you need to brake or something like that. I can't explain better that thing, but if you want a non-suspension wheel for off-roading, the MSP is for you. So yeah, now I'm going to try to do a very close road with the V11 and the MSP. João is going to wait for me here. Yeah, João. Let's see how I can handle this with both of these wheels. Oh. So one fall with the V11, 0 for the MSP until now. He's too tight. It's getting on my legs. And let's continue. So 2 falls for the V11. Let's do it again and see what I can handle now. Obviously it's unfair after. I will be more comfortable with the MSP because I already know where are the branches and everything. But I love this. I had filmed this before with the V11 and I could manage without a problem. I never fall. But it's like I said, if you know what is the branches, you can pass without a problem like I pass now. Passed and done. Second round. Was not bad, I fall 2 times. Yeah. Once again. And I didn't fall for the first round. It seems so. We are finishing. And yeah, on this way, safe. Let's do it again. Now in the opposite. Like I said, also being slightly lower, it helps you to be more in control in these tight curves. Let's do it. King, I need you! So yeah, it was just 1 fall, but I have the wheel on beneath there. Don't know if you guys can see.
Some wildlife skills, you know. Man!
It's not balancing.
Wait.
It's bouncing back. So what is the conclusions that I have for the V11 when we talk about off-roading capabilities? The wheel is super capable. When you get some mud, the wheel grabs the mud like no other wheels, and this is the perfect comparison, because if you put side by side with the MSP that for many of you guys always been related like the best wheel for off-roading, without suspension it do a great job. And maybe because I'm so used to non-suspension wheel, I feel that I can go even faster. Don't you think, Joel?
I think so, yeah.
So having the possibility to go faster, also that is a point in favor for the Gotway MSP. When we talk about the V11, everything is smoother. All the small holes, you don't feel it. That when I'm on the MSP, even if I could go even faster, I was a little bit concerned to just hit hard that branch or that roots or whatever, you know. With this, it's like it was not there. Both of them, they are simply amazing. I love these 2 wheels, are my 2 favorite wheels in the moment. I hope that you enjoy this little video that I've done for you guys about off-roading capabilities of the V11 and off-road capabilities of the MSP. See you soon. Bye-bye.